right. Translate.
Finish. Yani bitti.
Aha, bitti.
Bitti.
Finished, bitti. Okay, you're right. Maya.
Molly and her friends played. Molly and her friends listened to music.
Listened. Yeah, you're right. Listen to music, guys. When we use listen, it doesn't matter. Is it in present simple? Is it in past simple? We should write to after listen. Listened
The
to
past
music.
is
Yeah,
the past
yeah,
simple.
you're right, my dear. You're right. Thank you, Leman.
Milk and butter. And you need a lot of cheese. You need some salt. Salt and
Could you please tell me what does it mean? Hate.
cheese sevmemek de onu
Yeah, you're right. Nefret etmek, right? Nefret etmek.
like mom and I come here every week. Mən supermarketdə alış-veriş etməyi çox
Maya?
Can you help me please? Zəhmət olmasa sən mənə kömək edə bilərsən?